The borrower on the left selects an offer and needs to choose the loan amount, repayment period, and a payment method. In this case, it is USDT on Ethereum. The borrower then needs to provide a stablecoin address where the loan will be transferred, then review and accept the offer. Notifications are sent to the lender, but no actions are required since the borrower needs to pass KYC. The borrower opens the app and clicks on Verify Identity, which will take them to Sumsub and ask them to provide all the necessary information. The status then changes to In Review and, if passed successfully, to Verified. The application is then prepared and shared with the lender through their Sumsub dashboard. Now, the lender can review the application and make a decision on whether to accept or cancel the offer. By clicking Accept Offer and providing a PIN code, the lender moves the contract to the next stage. To provide a public key, the borrower first selects the source. In this case, it is in-app public key. The choice is confirmed by a PIN code. The lender must do the same, choose the source, and then provide the key. After both parties have provided their keys, they need to sign the contract. It is done within the app and confirmed by a PIN code. When both parties have signed the contract, the borrower must deposit collateral. Since the platform is non-custodial, the borrower will transfer Bitcoin from their own wallet. It can be done in multiple transactions and can exceed the initial BTC amount required. In this case, the borrower is using an Electrum wallet, so the flow can be different from yours. After Bitcoin is securely locked in the escrow, the lender is prompted to make the loan transfer. It is done in a peer-to-peer fashion directly between their wallet and the wallet of the borrower. In this example, the lender is using a MetaMask wallet to transfer the funds to the specified address. The next step for the lender is to submit transfer details. It is done by simply copying and pasting the transaction ID. The transfer details can be found in the respective part of the app. The borrower can also check the details and see that the transaction is not yet confirmed on the network. After the transaction is received, the borrower needs to confirm the receipt of funds. It is done in the app by providing a PIN code and a 2FA code. The next step is to pay the origination fee. The borrower will provide a PIN code and a 2FA code, essentially signing the release of the fee. The lender must co-sign the transaction by doing the same. After the fee is paid, the contract moves to the in-progress stage and stays there until the maturity of the loan. For demo purposes, the contract is moved rapidly into loan repayment status. The borrower will open their wallet and transfer the loan amount with interest directly to the wallet of the lender. In this example, MetaMask is used, but your app can be different. To prove the transfer of funds, the borrower must attach the transaction ID. The lender then gets a notification about the repayment made and must confirm that the loan was repaid in full. It is done in the app by providing a PIN code and a 2FA code. The final step is to refund Bitcoin from the escrow. To do that, the borrower must add the Bitcoin address from their own wallet. The label is visible only to the borrower, and confirmation with a PIN code is required. In addition, a verification code is sent to their email and must be confirmed with a 2FA code. The next step is to sign the refund transaction. The borrower uses their PIN and 2FA, effectively signing the transaction. The lender then co-signs the refund in their app as well. The transaction is then broadcasted and the contract is completed.